If you've ever thought about selling books on Amazon, now is the perfect time to start. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about building a successful book-selling business in 2025. Whether you're flipping used books for profit or launching your own ebook, I'll break it all down for you step by step. Let's get into it. Amazon started as a book-selling platform, and books still generate billions in sales every year. With low upfront costs and access to millions of customers, selling books is one of the easiest ways to start an online business. In fact, many sellers make over $1,000 a month just by reselling books. So, what kind of books should you sell? There are three main options. New books. These have greater demand and better profit margins, but also require a higher upfront investment. Used books, cheaper to source and easy to find, but sell for lower prices. Ebooks. No physical inventory is needed, and while the price per sale is lower, volume can make up for it. Here's a quick tip. If you have a tight budget and like hunting for deals, used books might be perfect for you. If you're a writer or creator, ebooks offer both creative freedom and low startup costs. And if you have sufficient capital and are looking to scale your profits, selling new books offers strong returns. Before jumping in, let's talk costs. If you're selling as an individual, you'll pay $0.99 per sale, plus Amazon's referral fee, usually around 15%. If you're serious about scaling your business, you might want to consider opting for a professional account for $39.99 per month to save on per-item fees. But keep in mind, these aren't the only costs you'll encounter. You may also need to cover shipping fees for physical books, marketing expenses, and other overhead costs. Not all books are worth selling. To find profitable books, you'll need to research their market demand, bestseller rank, and pricing trends. In this video, we'll focus on finding books that already exist and have proven demand, making them perfect for reselling. We're not talking about writing your own book or finding obscure titles. We're showing you how to spot opportunities that already work. A great tool to help with this task is AMZScout, which lets you analyze books based on sales volume, reviews, and competition. Step 1. Go to the AMZScout product database. Start by opening the product database. It's quick and easy, and you can try it for free. Step 2. Set your product criteria. Filter products by key metrics. Category. Select books. Reviews. Choose books with over 100 reviews to ensure customer interest. Rating. Set a minimum rating of 4 to ensure customer satisfaction. Seller type. Exclude Amazon from your competitors, as you won't be able to surpass Amazon sales on its own platform. Estimated sales. Opt for books with over 100 sales per month to ensure a consistent level of demand and profit. Alternatively, you can set your desired estimated revenue, such as $1,000 per month. You can also apply the trending filter to spot rising stars. Step 3. Get your search results. Click Find Products to generate a list of books that match your criteria. By following these steps, you can identify books with strong demand and good profit potential. Once you decide which books to sell, it's time to find them. Methods for sourcing books to sell on Amazon can vary depending on whether you're selling new or used books. Here are the best options for sourcing books. For new books, buy in bulk from wholesalers, distributors, or even publishers if you have the budget. For used books, check thrift stores, garage sales, library sales, and estate sales for cheap finds. Online marketplaces like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace are also great spots to find deals. Here's one more tip. Let people know that you're looking to buy books. You can create a website or post on message boards to spread the word. This way, you might have people coming to you with their books instead of always having to look for them yourself. After sourcing your books, it's time to list them on Amazon. Here's how. Step 1. Create an Amazon seller account. Choose between an individual or professional plan. For sellers who generate over 40 sales a month, the professional account option is more cost-effective. Step 2. List your books, add a compelling title and description, and set a competitive price. Step 3. Ship to Amazon, FBA, or fulfill orders yourself, FBM. With FBA, Amazon handles all of your storage and shipping, while FBM requires you to pack and ship orders on your own. Tip 1. Scanning books for resale value. First up, you need to know if a book is worth selling before you even buy it. Use the Amazon Seller app to scan the barcode or ISBN. This shows you real-time pricing, sales rank, and competition, so you can make informed decisions on the spot. If the market is too crowded, it might be best to move on to another book. Tip 2. Conducting a detailed product analysis. For a more in-depth look, use the AMZScout Pro AI extension, which helps you analyze a product's competition, estimated monthly sales, costs, and pricing trends. For example, if there are more than 20 sellers offering the same book, especially if Amazon is one of them, it can be tough to compete. Always check profitability before making a bulk purchase. Tip 3. Hardcover books sell better. Hardcover books often sell for higher prices and face less competition than paperbacks or ebooks. They also make great gifts, especially if they're special editions. Just be aware that their weight can increase shipping costs. Tip 4. Finding the best book genres to sell. To maximize your profits, check Amazon's bestseller list to see which genres are trending. Romance, mysteries, and religious books are among the most profitable. Also, read customer reviews on Goodreads to understand what readers love and what they don't. Amazon sells around 800 million books per year. With the right strategy, you can claim your share of this massive market. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which book selling strategy you're most excited to try.